How to create transparent profile photo on TikTok. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari. Once you're in here, search for transparent PNG. Head over to images. In here, you have to select the very first picture. Long press the picture and then click on Save to Photos. Once the picture has been saved, head over to your application TikTok and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you are logged in, head over to Profile at the bottom right corner and then click on Edit Profile. And then click on Change Photo. Tap on Upload Photo. Now all you want to do is select the picture that you have just saved before. And then click on Save at the bottom right corner. It will start to upload. Well, once it has been done, your profile picture will turn into transparent. Now if you move into any of the page, you will be able to see all the background instead of a profile picture. And then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can create transparent profile picture on TikTok. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.